Good morning, everyone. It's Lonnie. We're in the shed, and yeah, look, this thing right here, I actually photographed it yesterday. I haven't listed it yet. I photographed it and I did a quick demo video, like 2 minutes, and put it on my eBay demo video. This I bought, you might have seen me buy it at a yard sale Friday, I think, and I just cleaned it up briefly. Nothing real special. And yeah, this is cool. DeWalt, it's called a worksite radio charger. It's got a battery in here, like a regular tool battery, and it charges that battery when you plug in the unit. It's got a cord right there. Try and do this one-handed. Ow, pinch my finger. But then it can also run off of that battery. So the battery did take a full charge, so I was kind of lucky there.
And you would look amazing and have a blast.
And it works good. It sounds pretty good too. So yeah, bought that for $5. I think it's worth at least, it's somewhere between 50 and 100. I honestly, I haven't looked at comps that close yet, but that's what I'm kind of working on. Actually, I'm going to list this after I pull orders, because we do have some things, a couple of interesting things that are going out today. So let's go get those done. First item we're going to pull, guess what? Sold another one. Sold another one of these laser discs. Got a streak going 3 days in a row. Trying to remember which. I'd have to walk back to the computer and look and see which one it was. I think once I see it, it'll jog my memory though. Those cartoons aren't, oh, it's this one right here. Hellbound. Whoop, I grabbed two of them. Hellbound, Hellraiser 2, widescreen edition. That's what sold. This one actually had a pretty decent price on it, as far as these go anyway. $18.99 plus shipping on top for this guy. Okay, these aren't flying out of here, but they're moving slowly. These Batman Automobilia cars. I have a lot of them. Oh, this one's cool. I didn't even pay attention to what it was. It's a train. This one's sort of, see, it's still in the plastic, but it's not on the big card, which is strange. I guess that's actually new in package, sort of. But look at this train. So cool. Train engine, Batman. $14.99 plus shipping on top. All right, we got some car sales. Try and go through these kind of quickly, so I know these can get a little repetitive for you guys. So first one I'm pulling is the Rough Rompin' VW Rabbit, sold at auction for $4.99 plus shipping on top. And then the next order, I sold two more out of this same case. This truck right here, open back truck. It's open back truck with a roll. It's got like a roll bar on it and stuff. $4.99 for that. And then on the same order, also got this Kenworth truck here. What's it called? It just says Kenworth there. Oh, Bandag Bandit. It's like a race truck. It's got a spoiler on it. It's kind of cool. But yeah, $4.99 a piece for these plus shipping. And I did $4 shipping per order on these. So this is $4 shipping, and then this is $4 shipping for both. Okay, still working out of the same case. Got D34. See, that's how I have them situated here. D34 is an orange Corvette. Okay, this one right here. It's number 11. This one is actually really cool. I like that. On that order, and this is a 2-car order also. Then we have D38, some kind of a Honda convertible right here. I think this is it. Yep, this little Honda convertible. This is not good. It's got a cracked windshield. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Let me look at the listing. Okay, so listing just says please see photos for condition. I'm telling you, I did not notice this whenever I listed her. I would have put it in the condition. Condition used, please see photos for condition. It went for $550. It had 2 bids, but it does have a cracked windshield here. So surely whoever bought it saw it. At least I hope they did. Wow, I'm telling y'all, I didn't even notice that. Okay, but yeah, that it was like that already, so I didn't break it after listing it, at least. Alrighty, the last one that we're pulling is this Sand Digger VW Bug, a little dune buggy thing. That sold for $4.99 plus shipping on top. So all these are like $5 cars basically. Switching over to the other account, and I've got something coming out of the toolbox. It's a Lennox die grinder blade. 4-inch, I think is the size. It's gonna be one of these guys probably. Let me see. Metal Max 4-inch. This is 4-inch. I'll just verify on the image that's in the listing. 4-inch Metal Max 1000 cuts metal. Yeah, that's definitely it. All right, $14.99 plus shipping on top for this blade, and I should have 5 of these left, so that's a good little sale. Sold a deck of cards for 101 Dalmatians. Supposed to be in here. Yep, here they are. Sold set, bunch of sealed sets. If y'all haven't seen these before, got hundreds of these. Got several boxes, and I've sold a bunch, and they're always small sales. Got them real cheap. Paid about 25 cents per set, my cost. This got $5.99 plus shipping on top. Like for example, this, which is probably not a super desirable set of cards. I don't know, maybe it's okay. I have 7 available. So I started with 12 of these, of this kind. I still have 7 left, and I've sold 5 so far. So $30 in sales just off of this card type so far, but it's small money at a time, but they're easy ships. I don't know, and it was one listing to sell. I'm not trying to justify it, the cheap sales or anything, but I guess I sort of am. That was one listing for 12 items that I'll get $6 plus shipping a piece. So is it good or not? So I thought a little bit more about that, about those cards. Are they good or not? I think they're okay, but I think for the current state of my inventory and what I'm trying to do here, I think it would have been wiser, much wiser, for me to lot those cards up. Make like Disney movie lots, sci-fi lots, whatever, and put as many of those cards as I could into, say, a regional A, which I did do that with some of them, and sell them off on average $2 to $3 a set, but in lots of like 15 cards or whatever, and just get like $30, $35, $39 for like one lot. And I still would have made great money, and I might be out from under all those cards now, you know. So that's like, if I had it to do over again, I would have done it like that. Okay, so this is the last sale from yesterday right here. This Marantz model 2225 receiver. Picked this up for $10 at a yard sale, and the guy told me it didn't power on, and sure enough it didn't. I fooled around with it just a little bit, not a whole lot, and decided not to attempt repairs. This receiver, I mean, it's in nice cosmetic condition, so $300 to $400 in good working order. It would have taken me some effort and some time and ordering some parts and whatnot. I made the decision not to work on it, and I made the decision to sell it. So I listed it yesterday for $150 plus shipping on top, and it sold within about 3 hours. And yeah, really good sale. I'm like pleased as punch with that. Message from the buyer. He said, look, I'm buying this unit, but what I'm really interested in, he wants to buy the whole thing, of course. He said, what I'm really interested in is that front plate, like right here. So he said, please make sure that that's not damaged, because he said he ordered one recently and they didn't protect this front plate, the front cover or whatever you want to call that, and it got bent up in shipping and he had to return it. So definitely gonna take my time packing this thing because it's really nice profit. It deserves the extra time and effort. Packages are away, and I've got a little project now. I'm glad this package came in. I've had this old Nintendo 64 for a while. I don't have another one, and I'm gonna keep this one. I usually just flip them, but I'm gonna hang on to this one. Ooh, I gotta go find a controller. All right, luckily I found one. This guy right here got a loose analog stick, but that's fine for testing purposes. It'll be fine. And then this does have an expansion pack. The red on top means that's an expansion pack. So, oh, the thing I was missing, the reason I haven't tested these yet is I didn't have a power supply or I'm slicing this stuff. A power supply or AV cables. So I ordered this off of eBay, and these are both like second or third party is there data on the unit? Or reset is easy. That doesn't apply to this. This is a third party power supply and AV cables. So I'm gonna clean this unit up and then we'll go ahead and test a few games. Okay, hopefully this thing works. I don't think I've tested any of this stuff, including the controller, the game, or the console. And the power supply and AV thing are both like third party. And I haven't cleaned the cartridge either. Will it work? I just switched it on, we got nothing. Nothing. Oh, the game wasn't seated well. How did I manage to do that? Nothing. Let's see, how dirty is this game? It doesn't look that dirty. We got nothing. It's not good. Wait, there it comes. Sometimes the AV is weird on the N64. All right, now let's see if the controller works. Well, start worked. It's got save games on it. All right, well, this is good. At least I know my test platform works. And Mario is fine. Okay, cool. All right. We'll grab one more to test. What else are we going to test? Got some good little games here. Let's test Mario Kart 64. Let's see how dirty these contacts look. A little dirtier. We'll give it a shot. These might be too dirty. Yeah, let me clean these up. Let's clean these up and see if we can get it to work. All right, I'm gonna try it with just using alcohol for now. See how dirty we come back. That'll give us some idea. Ooh, came back pretty dirty. If it came back clean, I would have been concerned there's something wrong with the game, which there usually is not anything wrong with the game. Yeah, that came back pretty dirty. I think once I get the rough stuff off like that, I'm gonna come back and hit all of them with a little dab of deoxit to really make that stuff stay away. And boom, the game fires right up after that. See? So typically that's all you need to get a game that's not working to work, is to clean the contacts. There we go. Okay, so anyway, I think we're going to end the vlog right here, and I will see y'all again tomorrow. Planning on doing something a little different tomorrow as far as the video goes, but we'll wait and see. We'll see. I think it's going to be something kind of special y'all might like. See y'all then, guys. Take care. Bye bye.